Have you ever wondered what makes you? Inside each and every cell of your body, there lies a beautifully coiled structure that carries your genetic identity. Yes, we are talking about chromosome. Welcome back to my channel Genius Minds. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about chromosomes and its structure. So let's get started. Chromosomes are highly coiled structure which is made up of DNA and protein. And when we talk about protein, they are made up of histone proteins. Histones are the protein which are basic in nature. They are usually found during the cell division process because they are present in the condensed form during that stage. Let's break the structure of chromosome into clear version. So the very important structure of chromosome, the very first one is chromatids. So during each replication cycle, the chromosome appear as a two sister chromatid attached at the center. So these are known as the chromatids. During each replication cycle, you can see the formation of two chromatids and they are known as sister chromatid. And the center point where they are connected, this is known as centromere. Centromere is the highly constructed region which helps in the movement of the chromatids during the cell division process. So this is another important structure which is the centromere, highly constructed region which holds both the chromatid together. The third important term over here is telomere. Telomere are just like the caps present at the end of the chromosome which helps it from the degradation. It prevents the DNA from getting degraded. Another very important term which is there is known as kinetochore. So on the centromere itself there appears a proteinaceous material which is known as kinetochore. It acts as an attachment site for the spindle fiber. Attachment site for spindle fibers. Spindle fibers are like a direction or a way which direct the chromatids to move toward the opposite poles during the cell division process. So that is the important role of kinetochore over here. So the chromosome structure is mainly divided into four important components: the chromatid, centromere, telomere and the kinetochore. Next, based upon the centromere, the chromosome is divided into different types. So we are going to learn about the different types of chromosome based upon the centromere. So basically it is divided into four different categories based on the centromere position. It is divided into four different categories. The first one is metacentric, second one submetacentric, third is acrocentric, followed by telocentric. Acrocentric followed by telocentric. So I'll just draw the diagram and so that it will be very easy for you to understand it. So the basic component centromere is there, chromatids are there, right? So if the chromatid is present exactly at the center, resulting in the equal arm of the chromosome, that type of chromosome is known as metacentric chromosome, present at the center. Centromere is present at the center. When we talk about the submetacentric, the centromere is little away from the center, resulting in one shorter arm and one longer arm. This shorter arm is known as P arm and this is known as Q arm, the long arm. Short is P, long is Q. Now here you can clearly make out the difference between metacentric and submetacentric. Centromere is present exactly at the center in metacentric. Centromere is little away from the center in submetacentric. The third one is acrocentric. So in acrocentric, the centromere is more towards one end, resulting in a very shorter arm and a longer Q arm. So it is more towards one end of the chromosome, that is acrocentric. The fourth one is telocentric, where the centromere is present at the end and you can clearly see or only one of the arm of the chromosome is clearly visible. This type of chromosome is known as telocentric. So this division, this classification is based upon the centromere position. Metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric and telocentric. So if you found this explanation very simple and effective, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for the new easiest video coming on the way. Thank you so much.